Alright guys, this is going to be part 3 of the ride with Vin and Ricardo. I don't know, he said he's taking me up to some crazy canyon, I don't know, so this might be where he keeps his victims or something. I mean, I don't really know. So because I don't know the roads, I'm definitely going to be riding my own ride if you know, if I get to a place feel a little bit uncomfortable, but yeah, let's see how it goes. So there's Dustin right there, owner of Track Days. Road. Woo. Oh, Honda, you're messing up our fun, buddy. Here we go. There's still so much dirt on these roads. We had a good bit of rain maybe 2 weeks ago, but figured it would be gone by now. Vin's telling me to hold the throttle throughout the entire turn. Keep it held. Oh, too fast. Oh man, that was fun. Wow, that's a fun road.
How was that?
Hell yeah!
I know this road existed. Right? Yeah, I didn't know this road. Right?
Ben, you're holding secrets from me, man.
What secret?
I was bitching.
I told you. Oh, you've never been here too?
No.
Oh, you guys went up here already. No. I told you. How f***ing cool is that?
Oh, that was fun.
Look at it. How? Did you get it up to speed?
Yeah.
Look at it. That's a great road. It's a wide open road. This is where you work on your comfortable with speed.
Yeah.
It's a good road.
You didn't mind that pass you, right?
No.
Okay, cool.
I'm doing my thing.
Okay, yeah. All right.
Good How road, was that? Man. That was a good road.
Woo.
Wait till you guys see this one coming up. I told you. Your footage?
Hell yeah.
Here.
Oh, it was screaming, bro.
When you see an opening, take it, man. I don't mind.
Okay, all right.
Just, you know, I'm practicing what I need to practice. You're doing great, dude. Oh, it's fun, dude. You're doing great. Man. Badass. I'm like, so this road gets you comfortable with speed because it's like being on the track.
Yeah.
Like, where's Vin going? Why did he make a left? Because normally we would make a left to Lake Elizabeth. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
That's fun.
Wait till you see this one coming out. Dude, this one?
Yeah?
Wow.
Straights or?
No. It's all technical and like challenging.
Okay.
You'll be like, ooh, and then the trees and the elevation and the view.
Yeah?
Mwah.
All right. All right, guys. Well, thanks for tuning in for this riding footage with my boys over here. So I got a cracked lens, so I'm going to cut it short. But hope you enjoy the video. Drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe. Appreciate all you guys. Once again, ride safe.